Hello everyone, Miranda again. If you are sourcing products from China, those 3 red flags should never be ignored. I have worked in sourcing for nearly 20 years, and those are the warning signs I take seriously. Red flag 1. The price is too good to be true. If one supplier is 13% cheaper than everyone else, ask yourself why. Are they using different material? Do they really understand your requirements? Or are they simply trying to win the order first and solve the problem later? The cheapest quote often becomes the most expensive mistake. Red flag 2. They avoid specific questions. Ask about production capacity, lead time, testing requirements, quality control procedure. A professional supplier answers clearly. A risky supplier changes the subject or gives vague answers. Red flag 3. They say yes to everything. The one suppliers means buyers. If a supplier says, yes, we can do it. Yes, no problem. Yes, easy. Before reviewing your specification, be careful. Good suppliers ask questions. Bad suppliers make promises. The best suppliers don't tell you what you want to hear. They tell you what you need to know. Follow me for more real story lessons from China.